Welcome back to Sips for Change, where we explore practical ways to make events more sustainable, intentional, and impactful.
Today, we're stirring things up with a topic that's equal parts trending and, let's be honest, a little controversial for some, alcohol-free events.
We know not everyone's ready to trade their signature cocktail for a fancy mocktail. Some folks might clutch their wine glasses a bit tighter at the mere mention, but hear us out.
Exactly. We're not here to ban the bar. We're talking about intentional design that puts wellness, inclusivity, and smarter event planning front and center, while still throwing fantastic events. And yes, we might sneak in a few laughs along the way.
The sober, curious movement is having a serious moment. As of 2025, only 54% of US adults report drinking alcohol, the lowest rate in nearly 90 years.
And 49% Americans say they plan to drink less this year. That's a big jump. Gen Z is leading the charge with 65% planning to cut back.
For events, going alcohol free or offering strong non alcoholic options supports wellness, boosts inclusivity for non drinkers, people observing religious traditions, pregnant guests, folks in recovery, people managing medical issues and medication, or anyone who just wants to skip the hangover. You know, that magical state where you actually remember the event the next day.
Additionally, it also lowers liability risks, reduces cleanup drama, and often saves money. Who doesn't love a budget that doesn't disappear faster than the open bar?
Right. Look, we all know the defense. Alcohol is a social lubricant, it breaks the ice. But when we design high value networking, we don't need a liquid crutch. We need structured interaction that creates real dopamine, not just a blood alcohol spike.
Mhm, mhm.
Wellness trends in 2025 2026 show organizations actively supporting alcohol free lifestyles rather than just managing risk.
People who go alcohol free often report sleeping better, having more energy, clearer skin, sharper focus. Imagine attendees who are actually awake and engaged instead of nursing coffee and regretting the morning after at your keynote session.
That's totally right. Functional non alcoholic drinks are exploding too, with
Mhm.
adaptogens, botanicals, and nootropics that support stress relief and mental clarity. It's like giving your brain a little high five instead of a foggy handshake.
This isn't about restriction, it's about an elevated experience that matches today's wellness priorities.
Hmm. Make non alcoholic options the star of the show, not the shy sidekick. Curated mocktails, zero proof spirits, and functional drinks can be just as creative and beautiful as traditional cocktails.
Bring your beverage partners in early. Many now offer sophisticated alcohol-free designs and drinks that look and taste premium. No more sad soda in a plastic cup pretending it's fun.
Mm. Pair these with wellness activities like morning yoga, networking walks, or mocktail mixology classes.
Without alcohol as a social lubricant, conversations often get deeper and more genuine. Though we'll admit some icebreakers might need a little extra creativity.
Alcohol free events can also be lighter on the planet. Less heavy alcohol means reduced transport weight, simpler cleanup, and less glassware waste.
And like we said, on the budget side, dialing back the open bar can free up funds for better food, entertainment, or those experiential touches that guests will actually remember.
Venues and caterers are adapting fast with strong non alcoholic programs that reduce spoilage too.
Mhm. It's another win-win, better for the planet, the wallet, and the morning after.
Right. So, if you're thinking about exploring alcohol free or low alcohol events, here are some great questions to ask.
How can we make non-alcoholic drinks as exciting and as varied as boozy ones? What are some functional, wellness-focused options that fit our crowd. How do we design the flow to keep natural energy high? Can we partner with a local zero proof producer? How will we communicate those options so guests feel celebrated, not restricted? And what feedback tools can we use to measure satisfaction?
Right. This shift the conversation from how do we survive without alcohol to how do we create an even better experience.
And that's where the real magic is. Maybe a few eye rolls from traditionalists will happen, but it is an exciting shift.
Hmm. If you're new to this, don't feel like you have to go fully dry overnight. We're not suggesting cold turkey for your entire guest list.
Like we always say, start out small, right? When it comes to sustainability. So
Hmm.
think hybrid, feature some excellent non-alcoholic options alongside of lighter alcoholic options to start. Test a signature sober event and see the feedback. You might be surprised how many people thank you for the clear-headed option.
Build a wellness beverage checklist for your RFPs and grow from there.
Yep. Progress, not perfection, as we always say. Even small shifts can show you that you care about your attendees as a whole and their well-being.
Right, because alcohol free events are about intentional hospitality, centered on
Mhm.
wellness, inclusivity, energy, and real connection.
While it might ruffle a few feathers for those who love their classic cocktail hours, the payoff is often smoother, more memorable events that align with modern values.
Exactly. And again, really, our goal is to design an experience so engaging, sensory rich, and connection driven that the presence of alcohol becomes entirely secondary.
Mhm.
Really, what we were saying is this isn't about restriction, it's really about expansion, creating an environment where every single guest, regardless of their background or personal choices, feels really included, valued, and energized.
That's the thoughtful kind of win-win we love exploring at Sip Searching. Thanks for joining us again, and we'll see you next time, whether you're sipping something sparkling or zero proof.
Bye.